MG30H1BL1 by uscomponent.com. The MG30H1BL1, manufactured by Toshiba, is a high-performance IGBT module designed for demanding industrial applications. Ideal for motor drives, inverters, and power supplies, this module features low switching and conduction losses, ensuring superior energy efficiency and optimal system performance. Its robust construction provides excellent thermal management and long-term reliability, even in harsh environments. The MG30H1BL1 is easy to install and maintain, offering a cost-effective solution for high-power applications. Enhance your industrial systems with Toshiba's MG30H1BL1 IGBT module for reliable operation, improved energy savings, and exceptional performance. Optimize your power solutions with this advanced module. Ready to buy MG30H1BL1? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.